Dude. Stay there and don't move, damn it. What's up, boys? Rivera. Uh, another rainy day, man. Another rainy day. So, my AE86 Corolla that I told you guys I was gonna customize was a disaster, man. So, I wanted to give it a shot, not like last week. So, it didn't work. And I stripped the paint. What I was aiming for was something like this 71 Datsun Bluebird wagon. This one I did like 4 months ago. I was gonna give it a, an anodized red paint. This one came out really clean, but the Toyota didn't. So I stripped it and left it alone. But I did do some other stuff. First, I'll show you these two guys from the last video. I told you guys that I was gonna do a base swap. I wanted to put the bikes on the Zamac Silverado, but because of this front end deal that we have with the bumper, there's a little strip right here. I just couldn't do it, so I ended up only swapping the base and the windshield. The yellow one was on the Zamac, and then put these wheels on this guy, so this one will stay as is. This one looks really cool, man. I'm telling you, today these toys are alive, man. Check that out. Cool. So here's another truck from my collection. Oh yeah, it rolls. So that's good. Really, really good. The bike will stay, I mean. We'll see. Anyway, speaking of disasters, I was gonna do this color shifter also, Camaro. It's from this color shifters. I've never messed around with these things, even when I was a kid. I just, played with them and broke them, and that's it. I never splashed some water. If I did, I don't remember, but I put it in ice water, nothing happened. I put it in hot water, nothing happened. I had to run an errand, and I left it in a hot boiling water, and I just messed it all up. So I think that probably messed up the reaction of it. So all I did was just put some clear coat and swapped out the wheels. It's a plastic body, metal base, so you gotta be careful when I did screw it down already, but it does roll. I'm gonna keep this as is. I am going to wait for another Camaro like this one. It's a 67 Camaro, but it has these exhaust pipes on the side. So as soon as I get another body, I'll just swap them and see how that comes out. But for now, I guess. Sorry about that. And last also is this, my last video is the Toyota Tundra Super Treasure Hunt. They gave it to me without wheels. So I have some wheels for it. Right here. Big old wheels. They're already, pre-cut. They're made already with the axles, but I'm gonna swap out the chrome base out of this one, and then see how it comes out. So everything's already cut. I like how it has the black interior instead of the gray one. So we'll put these in here. All I gotta do is just screw it down, but probably have to just mess with this so I can close right and get rid of the gaps, but it check that out. How about that? Here. Way better with the chrome base, huh? I like it. I was messing with it for a while. Had some other wheels, but these, because of the red lines that are on the tires, that suits it pretty good. The Super Treasure Hunt it comes with some fat, thick wheel riders like this. These are plastic, but I seen it once at a Hot Wheels show, but they wanted too much for that one. So I'll dig this one. Put it on my truck display. Yeah, buddy. Speaking of wheel swaps, check this one out. How about that? 67 Chevy C10. It's already screwed down. All I did was just took the wheels off of I can't remember, whatever rail riders come with the white line on the tires, because this blue casting has white temples on it. It came out pretty good. How about that? Yeah, that blue paint that Hot Wheels did on this one was pretty clean. And last, Flashsider. 56 Flashsider. Now, because of rain also, I went ahead and did a polished one, just like the that Chevy 2 that I did. This one was from that Heritage. It was white. Stripped the paint. Painted this because it was like a beige color. Painted that black. It opens. Swapped out the wheels. This looks clean. And it rolls. So about that. I might start a little raw Hot Wheels collection. Trucks, cars, whatever. Any casting I think looks cool. Strip the paint out and try to polish it. There's way more to polish out of this one. I mean, I'll probably get some, polishing compound and see how much more shine I can get out of it. A lot more shine will come out of this one, that's for sure. That's good. I don't have one like this one, so I want to go up on the truck rack. Let's roll this so we can check this out. So we have the Flashsider. Toyota Tundra. Gotta screw that one down. Looks pretty good. Put it back there. Chevy C10. Color shifter that didn't shift colors. Wheel donor. That still looks good with that. Might give that one away. And the Zamac. The base swap, metal base, black wheels, rear riders. That looks good. Really, really cool. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I know I'm due for a haul video. So I can crack some stuff open, see what I got, and just more customs, more wheel swaps. Wheel swaps are customs. So let's see what I come up with next week or so. Have a good week, people. Have a safe Halloween tomorrow. I will talk to you guys later.